Sending WhatsApp messages to customers or leads one by one is a very time consuming task, especially when you have a long list of customers or leads. Now in this video, I will show you an amazing WhatsApp automation that is totally beginner friendly, that anyone without need of any coding and programming skills can create so that they can send bulk WhatsApp messages in just one click. Yes, this is possible. You can do this without need of any coding and programming skills. You just need one thing. That is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing tool that helps businesses to manage their WhatsApp conversations super easily and efficiently. And a WhatsApp message like this that you can see on the screen is going to be forwarded to thousands of customers in just one click. And in this video, I will show you how you can do that with Pabbly Chatflow. For that, simply you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow on a new tab, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now, if you're a new user, you don't have an account with us, sign up for free from here, with the help of which you will get 100 free credits every month in order to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime deals to create the secret WhatsApp automation that I am creating in this video, if you want to create that as well, you can simply purchase our yearly or lifetime deal. And if you want to get instant discounts on that purchase, check out the code that I've added on the left side of my screen right over here. Okay, now let's dive into the creation. Sign in. You have to set up your account by adding your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number, set up your entire account, and learn about the features of Pabbly Chatflow one by one, check out the video links I've added in the description section below and learn how to create the setup, then come back to this video. Now, setup is created. Okay, now what I want to send bulk WhatsApp messages to thousands of customers at once in just one click. In that case, simply we'll create broadcast in our Pabbly Chatflow account. For creating broadcast, firstly, you need to create a template, a message template that you want to share to thousands of customers in one click. In order to create the template, simply go towards template and template list section. After coming right over here, you will come to the template section, click on this add template button, and if you want to generate the template with AI, you can select this option as well, but I will simply add the template manually. Now, firstly, select the category of the template. I want to create a marketing campaign, so I'll select the category as marketing. Next is template name. You can name the template according to your requirement in lowercase letters without space, use underscore. So I will write over here a test name for the template. I'll just show you how the template is created. I've already created one template. Okay. For the language, I am created a template in the language English, so I will select English. And for the variable type, there are two variable types, name and number. My variable type is name, so I will select it. Okay. Now we have to select the template type. Okay. Now over here, for the type of the header, I want image header right here, so I will select image so that on top of my message an image will be attached like this. Now if you want a text header, you can select text, image, video, document location and other detail according to your requirement. I will select over here as image. Okay, format is the main body of the template that you will write. Okay, so now let's suppose I will write the message over here as hello world. Welcome to this video. So you can see it will appear just like this. This is how you will see the preview of your template. Okay. So if you will enter a body, the body is going to appear in this manner right here. Okay. Now if you want the footer, you can add in the footer according to your requirement if you want to add a footer to your template. And if you want interactive actions, you can select that as well. You have the option of call to action, quick replies and all. I don't want that, so I'm going to click on this none. Then simply click on the submit button and this template that you're creating will be created. Now I will go back. I've already created a template that I'll show you. I have created this template of marketing message. I have added the image and this is my message right here. I have a skincare brand in the name of Natural Glow Skincare. So I've named it. I've given message as get 50% off on your favorites today. Use code GLOW50, limited time only. Reply GLOW to stop. Okay. You can see this is the message I want to share like this on WhatsApp to all my customers. So I've already created this template. The templates that you you create inside Pabbly Chatflow are Meta approved. The approved status that you can see right over here is approved by Meta, and then only the status is updated. And for creating broadcasts inside Pabbly Chatflow, remember only approved templates can be forwarded. Okay. Now, as my template has already been created and approved, now using this template, let's send this template to thousands of customers. For that, simply go towards this broadcast section and you will come to this broadcast page. Now, I will add the broadcast from here, a new broadcast. For the type, there are two options. I'll select it as broadcast campaign. If you want, you can select API campaign as well. Next, it is asking for the broadcast name. For the name of my broadcast, let's suppose I'll write over here as marketing broadcast. Okay, this is the name. For the list, we have to select the contact list to whom you want to send this broadcast to. If I'll open this contacts page on a new tab, you can see this is the contacts page of my Pabbly Chatflow account. I have created a list over here in the name of new list where I add the subscribers according to my requirement. Okay, so these are the subscribers you can see right over here that I've added in this list. You can create your own contact list. Let's suppose you create a list in the name of marketing contacts, and to that list you can share this broadcast message specifically. So you have to select that list from here. Over here you can select all the contact list also if you want, or else you can select one by one contact list to whom you specifically want to send the broadcast message to. It's up to your own requirements to whom you want to send the WhatsApp messages. Okay. After selecting the list, next it says select message type. Now over here there are two types of messages: pre-approved template message and regular message. So first, regular message, you can directly create your own template right here, a text template, image template according to your requirement, or else you can select the pre-approved template from Meta. I have already created a template that I've shown you, that is right over here. So I want to send this template. Now, as it is required to add the image right here, I will upload the image directly. Now I've already uploaded this image over here. You have to add your image from this button. Click right over here. Select the image from your computer directly, upload it, and as you will upload it, your image will appear like this. You need to insert this image right here. So this is how the message is going to look like. I'm going to click on this done button after that. You can see this is the template and this is how the message is going to be forwarded towards your contact list. Now after that, now if I want to test this broadcast, like how the message is going to be forwarded, I can simply add in the username right here and add the phone number. Let's suppose I will enter my phone number, and then what I can do is I can send this test message on this number. It says test broadcast send, and on my WhatsApp you will see, yes, the same message has been forwarded. So like this, on your phone number you can test adding your WhatsApp number, that how the broadcast message is going to look like. Okay. Now there are two options after that. Schedule broadcast. Now if you want to send this broadcast instantly, you can select the option of no send instantly. So but if you want to schedule this broadcast, let's suppose I am creating the marketing broadcast for a flash sale that I have. My sale is not today, my sale is 2 days from today. So what I can do is I can select the option of yes and open this calendar. I want this broadcast should be forwarded at 18th of March 2026 at 10 a.m. So I'll select the timing right over here. And as I will do that on 18th of March 2026 at 10 a.m., this broadcast is going to automatically run, and the messages are going to be forwarded towards my contact list automatically. So all my requirements are completed. I will add this broadcast from here. And as I've done that, you can see it says scheduled. I've created this on 16th of March 2026 and it's scheduled for 18th of March 2026 at 10 a.m. Okay, you can see by whom it's been scheduled. You can see right over here the name is marketing broadcast. It's a manual broadcast, and over here the template message is marketing message. You can check out this template as well with the image it will be forwarded. Okay. So now as this broadcast has been scheduled on 18th of March, a message like this to all my customers. How many customers you want to add in your contact list, you can add as many as of them. And to all those contacts, a message like this on WhatsApp is going to be shared according to the time and date that you have selected. So this is an amazing, very easy WhatsApp hack that any businesses can use to promote their business, because WhatsApp is a very strong communication platform nowadays. Every single human is business using WhatsApp in order to promote their business, and because of this you can grow in your business, you can get more sales in your business might get more leads. So you can use this amazing technique to grow your business to the next level. Now if you have questions or doubts related to this broadcast video that I've created for you, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to use the code in order to purchase yearly or lifetime deals with Pabbly. Now if you want this code is also added in the description section below. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.